Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Chesterfield Service, a great American second-generation family business with a history dating back to 1976 and the best customer reviews by far in this part of America. Chesterfield Service is a great company in every way and has been for decades. Congratulations to the owners, Chris and Travis Seeger, and their tight-knit team of true pros at Chesterfield Service in Chesterfield, Missouri, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship every single day for years. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Chesterfield Service. This company does all kinds of heating, cooling, plumbing, appliance repair, and installation work. Chesterfield Service has great maintenance plans, financing options. They don't use subcontractors. Team members are drug-free and background checked. If you want to see what the quintessential American family business looks like, look at Chesterfield Service. The owners, Chris and Travis, grew up in the family business. Their dad, Charlie, started with his wife, Susie, from nothing back in 1976. Chris and Travis bought the business many years ago, but they never forgot the lessons of their elders. Treat people right and the business will come, and it has. Today, Chesterfield Service simply blows away competitors with hundreds and hundreds of five-star reviews from customers. And as the name suggests, Chesterfield Service has always been about service. Charlie and his dedicated team were not in it to get rich back in the day, and neither is the second generation, Chris and Travis. At Best of the Best, anytime we see pages like this one on the company website with photos of team members right there on the site, it tells us the owners are proud of their team and they don't have a lot of turnover. Two very good things for consumers. In 2019, Chesterfield Service won the very prestigious Torch Award from the Better Business Bureau, which really got our attention at Best of the Best. The Torch Award is earned for ethics in business, and Chesterfield Service has the customer reviews to prove they earned this award. Chesterfield Service is also a four-time Circle of Champions Award winner from Bryant. They've won the Medal of Excellence Award from Bryant, which makes very high-quality HVAC equipment. The Circle of Champions and Medal of Excellence are very significant in this industry. Chesterfield Service has been chosen over and over out of several states in the Midwest region as the best of the best. It's a very prestigious honor. Chesterfield Service is also a member of the ACCA, the Air Conditioning Contractors of America, and C12, the Christian Business Peer Advisory Group. We love all that stuff because it shows that this company is involved in this industry. They care about elevating the level of service out there. That's always a good thing for customers. When we reviewed this company in early 2020, Chesterfield Service had an A+ rating for the Better Business Bureau and had for years. They had 289 five-star reviews on the BBB profile alone. That is a lot. Most people only ever contact the BBB to complain about a company, not praise it, like they do with Chesterfield Service. We found over 2,000 five-star reviews across every credible review site out there. That is impressive. Customers love the professionalism of the team, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Chesterfield Service every single day. These are good people. They would never sell you something you didn't need. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The team at Chesterfield Service has given back to many people and organizations over the years. Chris is an active board member of the American Trade School, a college for trades. Chris sits on the board of two local high school trade advisory boards, directing curriculum and overseeing program content. Chesterfield Service does outreach with many great organizations, including Meals for Million, Cans for a Cause, Toys for Tots, Coats for Kids, Souls for Souls. You get the idea. This is an awesome company. Congratulations to everyone at Chesterfield Service in Missouri on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many decades, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.